Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist for each and every class. So go to my channel, select on the playlist and select accordingly. So let's move on to today's topic. Today's topic is Class 4, Chapter 5, दोस्त की पोशाक. दोस्त means friend. पोशाक means dress. So, friend's dress. एक बार नसरुद्दीन अपने बहुत पुराने दोस्त जमाल साहब से मिले. One day, Nasruddin met his old friend Jamal Sahib. पुराने दोस्त old friend. एक बार once. अपने पुराने दोस्त से मिलकर वे बड़े खुश हुए. He felt so happy after meeting his old friend. मिलकर after meeting. खुश हुए. He became very happy. खुश means happy. कुछ देर गपशप करने के बाद उन्होंने कहा. गपशप means after chit chatting or after talking. कुछ देर after some time, after talking with him, after chit chatting with him for some time, the Jamal Sahib said, चलो दोस्त मोहल्ले में घूम आए. Come on friend. मोहल्ला means the colony or the streets where he lived. चलो दोस्त मोहल्ले में घूम आए. Come friend, let's roam in our colony for some time. जमाल साहब ने जाने से मना कर दिया. जाने से मना कर दिया मीन्स ही रिफ्यूज्ड. जमाल साहिब रिफ्यूज टू गो देयर. और कहा अपनी इस मामूली सी पोशाक में मैं लोगों से नहीं मिल सकता. What Jamal Sahib said? He said, I can't go and meet people with this simple dress of mine. मामूली सी means very simple. लोगों से people. I can't meet people. नसरुद्दीन ने कहा बस इतनी सी बात. नसरुद्दीन said, Oh, only such a small matter. नसरुद्दीन तुरंत उनके लिए अपनी एक भड़कीली अचकन निकाल कर लाए. Then Nasruddin said, Oh, only such a small issue. That is not a problem. What he did? He quickly went and brought his bhadkili achkan. Bhadkili means very bright and colorful. Achkan is jacket. Nikal kar laye. He brought a bright colored jacket for his friend and said, इसे पहन लो. That yellow jacket, yellow kurta you are seeing, no? That kurta, that one. He brought for his friend. And what he said? He said, इसे पहन लो. इसमें तुम खूब अच्छे लगोगे. Wear it. You look very good in this. दोस्त को लेकर सब देखते रह जाएंगे. So what he said, this is where you can wear this, you look very good in this, and all of them will be stuck looking at you because it will look too good on you. बन ठन कर दोनों घूमने निकले. बन ठन means getting all dressed up. All dressed up, they went to roam around. बन ठन कर दोनों घूमने निकले. घूमने means roam around. दोस्त को लेकर नसरुद्दीन पड़ोसी के घर गए. पड़ोसी neighbor. He took his friend to his neighbor's house. नसरुद्दीन ने पड़ोसी से कहा. नसरुद्दीन said to his neighbor, ये है मेरे खास दोस्त जमाल साहब. This is my special friend. खास means special. Friend जमाल साहिब. आज कई सालों बाद इनसे मुलाकात हुई है. मुलाकात means meet. I have met him after so long years. So what he said, वैसे जो अचकन इन्होंने पहन रखी है वह मेरी है. So he said, वैसे by the way, the kurta he is wearing is mine. So what he said? He said, "This is my old friend Jamil Sahab. This is my special friend Jamal Sahab. I met him today after so many years. By the way, the jacket he is wearing is mine." यह सुनकर जमाल साहेब पर तो मानो घड़ों पानी बढ़ गया. After hearing this, Jamal Sahab got very upset and angry at the same time. घड़ों पानी पड़ गया means he felt very upset, he felt very sad because there was no need for him to tell that this jacket was his. So because of that, he felt ashamed in front of his neighbor. So he got very upset. बाहर निकलते ही मुंह बनाकर उन्होंने नजरुद्दीन से कहा. मुंह बनाकर मीन्स आफ्टर मेकिंग अ फेस. बाहर निकलते ही when he stepped out, as they stepped outside, he made face and said, what he said, तुम्हारी कैसी अकल है? What is wrong with you? Akal means brain. What type of brain do you have? What type of sense you have? Akal means sense. What type of sense you have? क्या यह बताना ज़रूरी था कि यह अचकन तुम्हारी है? Was it necessary to say that this kurta belongs to you? तुम्हारी पड़ोसी सोच रहा होगा, तुम्हारा पड़ोसी सोच रहा होगा कि मेरे पास अपने कपड़े ही नहीं हैं. सोच रहा होगा, पड़ोसी सोच रहा होगा मीन्स द नेबर would have thought that I don't even have clothes of mine. Okay, so he was feeling ashamed because he mentioned that it was his clothes. नसरुद्दीन ने माफ़ी मांगते हुए कहा. माफ़ी मांगना मीन्स he apologized. नसरुद्दीन apologized and said, गलती हो गई, अब ऐसा नहीं कहूँगा. Sorry, I made a mistake. This won't happen again. I won't say like this again. गलती means mistake. अब नसरुद्दीन उन्हें हुसैन साहब से मिलवाने लेके गए. Now this time he took him to another neighbor. His name was Hussain Sahib. मिलवाने means to meet. हुसैन साहब ने गर्मजोशी से उनका स्वागत सत्कार किया. हुसैन साहब grandly welcomed them to their house. गर्मजोशी means very grandly. स्वागत सत्कार means welcomed them. जब जमाल साहब के बारे में पूछा तो नसरुद्दीन ने कहा, when Hussain Sahib asked about Jamil Sahib that who is he, so Nasruddin said, what did he say? जमाल साहब मेरे पुराने दोस्त हैं और उन्होंने जो अचकन पहनी है वह इनकी अपनी ही है. So this time what he said, the Jamal Sahib is my old friend and the kurta he is wearing is his own. Okay, अपनी ही है means it's his own. जमाल साहब फिर नाराज हो गए. जमाल साहब again got upset. बाहर आकर बोले. बाहर आना means he came outside and said, झूठ बोलने को किसने कहा था? झूठ means lie. Who asked you to lie? किसने कहा था तुमसे? Who asked you to lie? नजरुद्दीन was shocked. He said, क्यों? नसरुद्दीन ने कहा, क्यों? तुमने जैसा चाहा मैंने वैसा ही तो कहा. Why? नजरुद्दीन said, I said whatever what you wished for. वैसा ही तो, जैसा चाहा means how you wished. I said like that only. पोशा की बात कहे बिना काम नहीं चलता क्या? Can't you talk without mentioning anything about my dress? इसके बारे में ना कहना ही अच्छा है. It's better if you don't say anything about the dress. जमाल साहब ने समझाया. कहे बिना means without saying. Okay? जमाल साहब को लेकर नसरुद्दीन आगे बढ़े. Then both of them again moved further to meet more neighbors. तभी एक अन्य पड़ोसी मिल गए. So there he met another neighbor. अन्य means another neighbor. नसरुद्दीन ने जमाल साहब का परिचय उनसे करवाया. परिचय मीन्स इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड जमाल साहब टू हिज नेबर. मैं आपका परिचय अपने पुराने दोस्त से करवा दूँ. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू माई ओल्ड फ्रेंड. यह है जमाल साहब और इन्होंने जो अचकन पहनी है उसके बारे में मैं चुप ही रहूं तो अच्छा है. This time what Nasruddin said, he said, I would like to introduce you to my old friend. This is Jamal Sahib, and it's better that I don't say anything about the jacket he is wearing. So this is about the chapter. So the Nasruddin was very innocent. He was telling, first he said that when he went to the neighbor, first he said, this is the dress, this is my friend, and the kurta he is wearing is mine. The next time when Jamal Sahib got upset, he said, don't say like that. Then what he said? He then lied. He said, the kurta he is wearing is his own. Then again Jamal Sahib got upset. Then Jamal Sahib said, okay, this time you should not mention anything about my dress. So he said same as what the Jamal Sahib taught him. He said, he is my old friend, but it's better I don't talk anything about his dress. So it's a comic story. Hope you got the meaning. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.